Good day, Nini Divas! We are here in Zambales National High School where we feel the spread of love through platonic relationship and friendship. February 14, a day when love takes the stage in our heart and in ZNHS. The spirit of Valentine's isn't just in the flowers and chocolates. It's moved into the daily life of our community. Let's go and take a trip of wonderful hearts in ZNHS. The wind is steady, the surroundings feels lively, as our lovely lovebirds and friends displays a warm smile in their faces. Every step they take and each footprints they left makes the dual colors change to vibrant one.
Even the canteen becomes a space of connection, where friends gather to share meals and laughter, reminding us that love comes in many forms, not just romance, but also in friendship.
From the hallways where students share warm greetings and handcrafted flowers to the classrooms where students show care through extra support.
For you po, what is Valentine's Day?
For me, Valentine's po is celebrating with your partner or couple or family. Not only your lover, but also the people you care about.
How do you express Valentine's Day? As a student, gustong-gusto kong kasama ang aking pamilya at ang aking ibang relatives, especially yung mga friends ko. And I also love writing them letters and giving them gifts just to express my love for them. How do you express or celebrate Valentine's Day?
I celebrate Valentine's. Nagkukulong ako sa kwarto, nagmumukmuk ako. Like, dinadamdam ko yung pagiging single ko, walang kasama. And then, kapag lumalabas ako, naghahanap ako ng job, babatuhan ko ng bato. Yun ang sagot ko.
What will you do in Valentine's Day without a partner?
I will do in Valentine's Day because it is Thursday, di ba? 14. Ang gagawin ko sa Valentine's Day ay magigising, matutulog muli, magigising, maglalaro, kakain, matulog.
Love is truly in the air, a magical feeling that often speaks to our lives when connections deepen and hearts grow.